I'm doing this video because of a meeting that we had yesterday with the men from Sitam Parkrats. After the conference, there were so many questions that I was asked, and I saw that there is need to do a video so that I can try and help others who did not come to ask those questions, or those who wanted to ask those questions and they were not able to do that. These are questions which came up from a topic that I shared about e-commerce and a website, and how you can use a website to improve your profession or to improve your business and to increase sales in your business. My name is Raphael Waston. I'm the chairman of Stable Professionals. This is a group or a community of business leaders and professionals. This is where we share skills, we share knowledge, and also share opportunities for businesses to grow. We help people to grow their businesses and also to grow their revenue, to stabilize their lives. That is why we have the name Stable Professionals. Our main aim is to stimulate growth in businesses and also to stabilize people's lives. Back to the topic, we are discussing about or answering questions on how we can improve our business revenue, on how we can increase revenue to professionals and also in businesses, using websites and e-commerce platforms. Now, what gross revenue is increase in sales. If you are not increasing your sales or not growing your service or increasing value in a product, you don't grow revenue, you don't increase revenue. Now, the way you can increase revenue using a website or an e-commerce platform from what you are doing. I'm not telling you to stop doing what you do. You are doing exactly what you do. But now you should tap into current technologies. You should get into the current technology which can help you to increase that revenue. How do you do that? Number one, you need a website. If you don't have one, you need one. If you have one, what you need now is to create content, written content. We call this copywriting. The second thing you need to do is to do something we call search engine optimization. And on top of search engine optimization, you can choose or not choose to, but the best thing is to choose to do something we call search engine marketing. Now, I'll tackle each of these and how it helps you. Let me start with the content creation, or how you end up, how content helps you to get there. Right now, most people are not going door to door. Each shop after shop, or office after office, searching for items or searching for solutions. What people are doing, they are going to Google or Yahoo or any other search engine you know of and type a solution or a product in which they are looking for. Let's assume maybe I'm looking for a recliner sofa set and I reside in Roiro. Recliner sofa set within Roiro. You'll get results from Google and you'll see all the people who are offering or who are selling or stocking recliner sofa sets within Roiro. Even if they are not in Roiro, maybe they do delivery to Roiro. Maybe someone resides in Roiro, but no, maybe the stockist is in Mombasa Road, but they do deliveries to Roiro. So you only need maybe to visit the shop, you see the sofa set, you confirm that is what you need, then it's delivered. So this is what people are doing. Maybe someone is looking for a good doctor. Maybe someone is looking for an architecture or an interior designer or even a photographer. People are not going round. We used to rely on referrals, but nowadays people are not relying on referrals. They are just doing searches, and this trend is going to increase in the coming days. And this is the best time to make sure that your services and products have been posted online so that you can enjoy this particular service. So what you do copywriting. This is content in written form, describing the products and the services that you offer, and you put as many products and as many services as you can, upload them to that website. Then the second thing, do search engine optimization. We usually refer to it in short form as SEO. SEO is a form of marketing whereby you optimize your content online so that you can be ranked first by Google, so that you can feature in page 1 of the first results in Google. Most people don't go to page 5 to page 6 to page 7 to look for services, or they usually open the first page or the first result that usually come up within a search engine. Once they click it, there you are, they get your services. And remember, people don't look for you online. They don't know you. What do they know? They know the solution that they are looking for. They know the problem that they are facing. So that is what they look for. And if you can be able to upload as much content in your website or on your website, you'll be able to connect with the people who are looking for solutions that you are providing. So that is number 2 item that you need to do. That is the second thing you are supposed to do on a website. You need to do search engine optimization. The third thing which you can do, maybe you are very lazy to do search engine optimization. You don't want to do any SEO. You don't want to get into that activity. You can choose to pay. You can pay maybe an expert like me to place the adverts for you, and then all the customers who are looking for solutions or people looking for solutions will be directed to your website so that they can see the solutions that you're offering or the products that you're offering for sale. Now, if you want to acquire these skills, number 1 skill is copywriting, or you want to acquire skills on how to do search engine optimization or even to do search engine marketing, you can even contact us. You can contact us on 0722717744, and we'll be able to take you step by step on how you can be able to optimize your content, or on how to write good content, or how to do search engine marketing. That is, search engine marketing is a form of digital marketing. There are other forms of digital marketing, very many of them, and with the time we'll be able to do videos on how you can be able to do on how you can do digital marketing using other platforms. But Google or any search engine is one of the forms of doing digital marketing. You can as well get this knowledge and even skills by joining Stable Professionals. At Stable Professionals, this is where you interact with other business leaders and even professionals who assist you to solve some of the problems that you are going through. So this is a very good platform for you to network and even to get new opportunities to do business, and even opportunities for there are people who will give you business within this platform, and there are many who have benefited in it. So see you in the next video that we'll be doing.